In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture to a post on Reddit. Whether you're new to Reddit or a seasoned user, sharing an image with the community can be a really effective way to engage with others. Let's get started. First things first, ensure that you're logged into your Reddit account. If you're not yet logged in, you can easily do this by entering your credentials. Perhaps this is your debut on Reddit. In that case, no worries. Just find the sign up or create account option to get started. Now, on to the actual posting. Navigate to the specific subreddit where you want to share your image. Subreddits are essentially communities or forums centered around different topics and interests, so make sure you're in the right place that fits your content. Once you're in the desired subreddit, locate the Create Post button. It's usually located near the top right corner of the subreddit's main page. When you click on that, you'll open the post creation interface. Here's where you choose how you want to share your content, particularly focusing on visual media. Select either the Image tab if you're posting a single image or the Image Video tab if you plan to include a video along with your images. Uploading your image is straightforward. You can simply drag and drop your image file directly into the designated area. Alternatively, browse your computer files by clicking Upload and selecting the image you wish to share. A pro tip here: double-check that your image complies with the subreddit rules. Each community may have its own specific guidelines regarding image content and quality. Next, adorn your post with a relevant title. The title is important as it serves to attract the Reddit community's interest and should accurately reflect the content of your post. Once your image and title are set, the only thing left is to hit that post button. This action shares your creation with the subreddit, opening it up to interactions from other Reddit users. If you find yourself wishing to share an image from a mobile device, fret not, the procedure is remarkably similar. On mobile, you can tap the Create button, add a title, and to incorporate a picture or video, look for the link icon or gallery icon. Tap on the appropriate icon, make your selection, and finally, tap Post to share your content with the community. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can start contributing your own unique content to the Reddit community. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!